Hello everyone, I hope you all are keeping good health. In this video, we will discuss parallelogram and triangle. Other than squares and rectangle, we will use these two shapes in this chapter. Let's consider this parallelogram ABCD. We will draw a perpendicular line from A and B on the opposite side. Finally, we can see that there is a rectangle formed. Here, area of the parallelogram and area of the rectangle formed is equal. So, the length of the rectangular formed is equal to the base of the parallelogram and breadth of the rectangle is equal to the height of the parallelogram. So, we can calculate area of parallelogram as B into H. Here, B into H is a general formula for finding out the area of parallelogram. Next, consider the parallelogram again. Divide it into two equal parts by the diagonal. Here, each part is a triangle. To find out area of a triangle, we will use the area of parallelogram divided by 2. Moving to exercise 11.2, question number 1. Find the area. Figures are given to you and we are supposed to find areas of the given figure. Here, a perpendicular line is falling on 7. So 7 is a base and 4 is a height. Area of a parallelogram is base into height. B is 7, H is 4. 7 into 4 is 28. Unit will be square unit. Next figure. Perpendicular is falling on 5. So 5 is base and H is 4.8 centimeter. Area of parallelogram will be B into H. B is 5. H is 4.8. We will get the final answer as 24 square centimeter. Question number 2, find the area. Here the figure is of triangle. Again, perpendicular is falling on 4. So base is 4, height is 3. Area of triangle means half into base into height. Put the values here. We will get half into 4 into 3. Multiply them. We will get 12 upon 2, which means 6 square centimeter. Question number 3, find the missing values. In the first set, area and breadth is given to you, that is base. Here, we will use the formula for parallelogram as it's an area of parallelogram, which means base into height. Area is 246 and base is 20. Height will come as it is. To find the value of height, shift 20 to the other side. H means 246 upon 20. Divide them, you will get the answer as 12.3 centimeter. Next, we will solve C. Here, area of parallelogram and height is given to you. Again, area of parallelogram means base into height. Area means 48.72 here. Base is not given to you. Height is 8.4. To find out base, shift 8.4 to the other side. Base will be 48.72 upon 8.4. Divide them. Yes, the answer will be 5.8 centimeter. Moving to question number 4, find the missing values. Area of a triangle is given to you and the base value is given to you. Now we will use the formula for area of a triangle as half into base into height. Area is 87, base is 15 and H will come as it is. Now, first you are supposed to shift the value which is outer of the bracket. Here 1 upon 2 is outside of the bracket. You will shift it. Shifting a fraction means shifting a reciprocal of it. we will get 15 into h as 87 into 2. Again, we will shift this 15. First, you will multiply the left hand side two numbers as 174 is equals to 15 into h. Shift this 15 to the other side to get the value of h as 174 upon 15. Divide the two. You will get the answer as 11.6 centimeter. Question number 4b. Here, area of a triangle and height is given to you. Again, using the formula of area of a triangle, area is 1256. Height is 31.4, base will come as it is. Again, 1 upon 2 is outside the bracket. You will shift it first. As it's a fraction, shift the reciprocal of it. We will get 1256 into 2 is equal to b into 31.4. Multiply them, we will get 2512 is equals to b into 31.4. To get the value of b, shift this. We will get b as 2512 upon 31.4. Divide them, the answer is 80 millimeter. Question number 5. PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height of Q to SR and QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is equals to 12 centimeter and QM is equals to 7.6 centimeter, find the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Here, this is a parallelogram. Here, the values given to you are SR and QM. Here, QM is the perpendicular line falling on SR. They both are perpendicular to each other. So, QM is making 90 degree. So, here QM is the height. It is falling on SR. So, SR is the base. Using these values, we will find area of the parallelogram as base into height. Here the base is SR, which is 12. Height is QM, which is 7.6. Multiply them, we will get the area as 91.2 square centimeter. For the same figure, we are supposed to find QN if PS is 8 centimeter. Now here, we are supposed to find QN, which is making 90 degree, to PS. So PS and QN are perpendicular. As QN is making 90 degree, so it is height here. PS is a line on which it is falling, so PS is base. Height is missing, base is given to you. By using the area calculated in A, we will use the formula of area and we will find the missing value H. Area we calculated as 91.2 and here the base is 8, height is H. Shift 8 to get the value of H as 91.2 upon 8 is equal to 11.4 centimeter. Next, question number 6. DL and BM are the heights on side AB and AD respectively. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 square centimeter, AB equals to 35 centimeter, AD equals to 49 centimeter, find the length of BM and DL. Here area is given to you, AB and AD is given to you. First consider AB 35 centimeter and AD 49 centimeter. Here first we have to find length of BM. BM is falling on AD. So we will use the formula of area as BM is perpendicular on AD. BM is making 90 degree, so it is height. AD will act as a base. Area is given to you. We will use the formula of area, which is 1470 is equal to base is 49. Height you have to find. Shift 49 to get the value of h as 1470 upon 49, which means 30. So here h is representing BM. So BM is 30 centimeter. Next, for the same figure, we are supposed to find DL. Here DL is again making 90 degree on AB. As DL is perpendicular to AB, DL is making 90 degree, so it's a height. It is falling on AB, so it's a base. Again, using the area value, we can find the missing. Area is 1470. Here, base is 35. Height you have to find. Shift 35 to get the value of h as 1470 upon 35, which results as 42. So here DL is 42 centimeter. Moving to question number 7. ABC is right angled at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB is 5 cm, BC is 13 cm and AC is 12 cm, find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. In this figure, first line it's given as ABC is a right angle at A. It means these two lines are making 90 degree to each other. Here we can say AC is perpendicular to AB or AB is perpendicular to AC. One line will act as a height and one line will act as a base. Okay. Now, we will find area of a triangle as half into base into height. Put the values here. Multiply them. You will get the answer as 60 upon 2. That is 30 square centimeter. Using this area value, we will find the second part, that is length of AD. We are supposed to find length of AD in the second part for the same figure. So here AD is falling on BC. So AD and BC are perpendicular to each other. It's already given to you in the question. AD will act as a height and BC will act as a base. Here area will be half into base into height. Area we calculated just now as 30. Put the values of base here. Height will come h as it is. 1 by 2 is outside the bracket. Shift it first. We will shift the reciprocal. You will get 30 into 2 as 60. Which is equal to 13 into h. Shift this 13 to get the value of h as 60 upon 13, that is 4.62 and the unit will be centimeter. I hope all the calculations are clear to you. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.